हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशन वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को डीएवी क्लास 7 इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के यूनिट 5 आई ड्रीम ए वर्ल्ड का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स शुरू करते हैं। अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पोयम। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द पोयम, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग समरी। In the poet's dream world, no man will scorn the other. The earth will be blessed by love and peace will prevail everywhere. There will be no difference between black and white. Everybody will be able to experience joy and happiness. Man will not be spiritually weakened by greed. Avarice will not make human life miserable. People will share the bounties equally. Misery will be banished. Next देखते हैं। Read the following extract from the poem and answer the questions that follow. Extract को read करके हम लोगों को question का आंसर लिखना है। First question है, What has joy been compared to? Joy has been compared to pearl. Second question है, What is the significance of this comparison? A pearl shines, it is sparkling white, so it has been compared to joy, which will shine in this mortal world and bring joy in humans' life by sufficing all their needs. Next देखते हैं। Personification is a literary device in which objects or qualities are represented as human beings. What qualities have been personified in the following expressions? Love will bless the earth. Second है, wretchedness will hang its head. Which words in each expression suggest that the quality has been personified? Love will bless the earth, brotherhood. Wretchedness will hang its head, grief. Next देखते हैं word power. A few phrases from the text have been placed in column A with their meanings in column B in a jumbled form. Match the phrases in column A with their appropriate meanings in column B. Shapes the soul, weakens or destroys our spiritual power. Avarice blinds our day. An extreme desire for wealth makes our daily life tense and miserable. Bounties of earth, the generous gifts offered to us by the land on which we live. Wretchedness will hang its head. Misery and suffering will no longer exist. Attend to the needs. Take care of the requirements. Next देखते हैं। Thoughts. The poet has described some features of his dream world. Work in groups of 4 or 5 and make a list of the steps that need to be taken to translate the poet's dream into reality. Thoughts क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन को देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स, मैं इसे रीड नहीं कर रही हूँ। A new child has joined your class. He is black. No one wants to befriend him. You feel concerned for him. How will you ensure that he gradually becomes a part of your class? I am the class monitor. It's my duty to ensure that there is congenial environment in the class which encourages learning. If any such thing is taking place, then I will be the first one to befriend this child. I will ensure that he understands everything and will also help him in studies. Seeing all these, all other children would also be encouraged to befriend him. Next देखते हैं values. Greed and avarice are two human vices we need to shun. Do you agree? If yes, How do you think we can ensure that we do not fall victims to such vices? I agree with the statement because these two qualities are the root cause of all fighting and war that goes on in the world. Be it nations or just neighbors, human beings in their greed want more and more of everything. Their needs are never fulfilled. In their efforts to have more, other vices creep in. They engage in activities like murder, theft, etc. Similarly, nations want more and more land to be added to their existing boundaries or want more power. Hence, they go to war, killing and maiming thousands of people. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं राइटिंग स्किल्स। राइट ए पैराग्राफ ऑन द टॉपिक मैन वाज बोर्न फ्री बट एवरीवेयर ही इज इन चेन्स इन अबाउट 80 to 100 words, और राइट ए पैराग्राफ of about 80 words strongly emphasizing the point that human beings should not be divided on the basis of color, religion or language because all human beings have essentially the same feelings. Give your paragraph a suitable heading. Refer to the poem No Men Are Foreign in my English Reader. स्टूडेंट्स, इस चैनल पे आपको इंग्लिश रीडर की भी सॉल्यूशन वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे, तो स्टूडेंट्स उन वीडियोस को जरूर देख लीजिएगा। तो चलिए इस क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन देखते हैं। ये पैराग्राफ जो है सेकेंड टॉपिक पर बेस्ड है। ह्यूमन बीइंग्स शुड नॉट बी डिवाइडेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कलर, रिलीजन और लैंग्वेज। People have the same emotions and feelings irrespective of caste, creed or sex. Their laughter has the same ringing sounds. Their basic needs are same. They all need air, food, water and shelter for their sustenance. God has not made any distinction amongst us. Then why should we do this? We all are equal in the eyes of God. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, और भी सब्जेक्ट के एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड सॉल्यूशन वीडियोस अपलोड है, उन वीडियोस को जरूर देख लीजिएगा। और प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर के भी वीडियोस अपलोड है, तो उन वीडियोस को जरूर देखिएगा। और वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके बताना बिल्कुल नहीं भूलिएगा। और यदि आप किसी और चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन या सॉल्यूशन वीडियो चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिएगा। और किसी भी वीडियो के लिए चैनल के प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन को जरूर चेक कर लिया कीजिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।